what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable third-party cookies on Shopify. So from admin.shopify.com, just click on this icon beside the website's URL, and this is how it should appear, or a small window like this should pop up. So the next thing you may want to do is click on cookies and site data. And from here, make sure that you turn on third party cookies. So just toggle this on. You can also manage cookies for this specific site just by clicking on settings. And from here, you can double check if Shopify has already enabled third party cookies. And if Shopify still doesn't appear in this section, you can just manually add it just by clicking on add, then just type in shopify.com, then click on add. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!